If you want to cancel your Namecheap private email subscription, I'll walk you through the exact steps in a quick and simple way. This is a great tutorial if you no longer need the email service, want to avoid the next renewal charge, or just want to clean up your subscriptions. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, go to your Namecheap account dashboard and sign in with the account that has the private email service attached to it. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Private Email. This is where Namecheap keeps all of your email plan details in one place. After that, find the plan that you want to stop and click Manage next to it. If you have more than one plan, make sure you choose the correct one so you don't cancel the wrong service by mistake. Now look for the cancel button near your renewal date or validity date. Namecheap usually places this option where it's easy to find since it controls whether the subscription renews or stops. When you click cancel, you may be asked to confirm your choice. This is an important step because it helps make sure you really want to end the subscription. Go ahead and select cancel subscription to finish the process. Once that's done, your Namecheap private email plan should be set to stop renewing and you'll no longer be billed for that service going forward. If you still need the email active until the end of your current billing period, just remember that cancellation usually stops the next renewal rather than removing access instantly. So if you're planning ahead, it's a good idea to check the remaining validity time before confirming, and that's it. You've successfully cancelled your Namecheap private email subscription. If this tutorial saved you time, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Namecheap walkthroughs in the future.